guys, it's me again, Anne Christine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today's video is going to be obviously a cooking vlog, kaya tayo naka-apron, and I'm really excited because it's my first time to prepare a vegan meal. And we're going to use itong mga products ni Veega. Yan, Veega is by San Miguel Foods, and ito yung vegan product line nila. Pinadala nila ako ng mga products nila, and of course, I just really had to try it. So, they have this meat-free na sausage, meat-free na giniling, meat-free na burger patty, lastly, itong meat-free na balls. So, today, what we're going to use is itong giniling because I'm going to prepare Quinoa Bibimbap. As you guys know, lately I've been loving Korean food and anything Korean actually. So if you're interested to learn how to make it, please stick around. These are the ingredients that we need to make our Quinoa Bibimbap. Traditional quinoa, our Veega meat-free giniling, crispy seaweed or crispy nori for toppings, whole kernel corn, sliced carrots, and pepino or cucumber. You could also use zucchini, kimchi, and gochujang. Feel free to also add tofu, bean sprouts, enoki mushrooms, and any other toppings that you prefer. Have our very easy Quinoa Bibimbap. Again, I use Veega's meat-free giniling, but I think any meat alternative naman nila pwede nyong ihalo dun sa bibimbap. Like if you want to use their meatballs also or yung sausage nila kasi fun fact lang, ito natutunan ko to sa friend ko na sobrang fan ng anything Korean din, si Therese. So, hi Therese! Bibimbap daw, na-invento siya sa Korea kasi ginagawa yon ng mga Korean pag gusto lang nilang paghalu-haluan lahat ng leftover nila sa ref. So, leftover meat, leftover na side dishes, na vegetables, tapos haluan mo lang ng gochujang and then kanin. So, yon. So, I think any meat naman pwede. Feel free to add din yung kung ano man yung gusto nyo na toppings like tofu, enoki mushrooms, or toge. Pwede kayo mag-add ng spinach or kung ano man yung gusto mo na greens. It's totally up to you. By the way, I added kimchi dito sa dish natin. Others say na pag yung kimchi, hinaluan ng patis when they were making it and then hindi na siya vegan. Kasi patis is from fish, diba? So, you have to make sure lang na yung kimchi mo walang fish sauce. So, if you really wanna be sure, pwede din na homemade na lang. Actually, napanood ko dun sa Our Little Summer Vacation, yung kay PSJ, Choi Wishik, and Yumi, kung paano gumawa ng kimchi kasi gumawa dun ng kimchi si Yumi and mukhang napakadali lang. Next time, baka pwede din natin yung itry dito sa vlog. Anyway, it's time to taste this one. Let's go! Fairness, ang sarap niya. I think kung hindi ako aware na vegan yung ginamit dito, hindi ko mapapansin na it's not real meat. And I don't really eat quinoa that much. Very seldom lang. Pero ngayon na ginawa ko siyang bibimbap, It's a great alternative sa rice. Comment down below if you have any questions about Veega or if you have any vlog suggestions. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Till my next one. Bye!